2x squared plus 6x plus 4 equals 0. And here's A, B, and C. Plugged it into the equation, made it negative 6x plus or minus square root of 6 squared minus 4 AC, which is 2 and 4, over 2 times 2. And we pulled out the discriminant, which is 6 squared minus 4 times 2 times 4, which ends up being 36 minus 32, which is 4. So we put it back into the equation as negative 6 plus or minus the square root of 4 over 4. And then, so it became negative 6 plus or minus 2, because the square root of 4 is 2. And then we made it two separate equations, a plus and minus, which is this thing right there, which is negative 6 plus 2 divided by 4, and negative 6 minus 2 divided by 4, which comes out to be x equals negative 1 and x equals negative 2.
Factoring, the following is 2x squared plus 6x plus 4 equals 0. First you do rooftop, so it'd be 2 times 4 equals 8. And you have to find the factors of 8 that equals 6, which should be 2 and 4. So it'd be 2x squared plus 2x, and then 4x plus 4. And then you have to pull out the GCF of both of the is it a binomial? 4 terms binomial. So then it'd be 2x, and then parentheses, polynomial.
Yeah.
2x, and then parentheses, x plus 1, close parentheses, and then be 4, parentheses, x plus 1, and then close parentheses. So then it'd come out to, then you'd combine the two GCFs, so it'd be 2x plus 4, and then x plus 1. And you do 2x plus 4 equals 0, and subtract 4 from both sides, and it'd be 2x equals negative 4, and divide by 2 on both sides would be x equals negative 2. Then you have x plus 1 equals 0. Then you minus 1 from both sides, and x equals negative 1.
It's like hanging on my own bells. 4 and putting x behind it, and then taking this 4.
So would that be 4x plus 4?
Yes. 4x plus 4. Put it to, okay, so
Would
then
that x
that's
still,
when you take the factors out.
okay, so then this would be 2.
Yeah, it's 2x since they both have x in them. So really that's going to turn out to be like 0 or 1.
So it's going to be 1.
1, so and that's going to be, you're going to pull out
4.
4, but that will still leave an x, so that means they're not the same.
Now I'll write the answer. It's 2x. Well, we have to actually do equal to 0.
Yeah.
2x 4 equals 0. Minus 4 minus 2x equals negative 4 divided by 2.
None of those work.
With the other paint. Okay.
Scratch them out. And what else equals 6? 4, 8, 12, 16. So 4.
There's 4.
Oh, 4 and 4?
4 and 4. Negative 4 and 4.
That's going to work.
Negative 4
Negative 4
Negative 4 and 4.
times
four.
4
equals 0.
Equals 0.
equals
what you
0.
So now fill those in for your parentheses.
Okay, so I'll put x minus 4, then x plus 4?
Mhm.
Sweet.
Then you have to make those both equal to 0 and solve.
Yeah, equal to 0 and solve. See how simple it is?
Make
So-
what?
Make them equal.
So
So
it'll be
make
like-
it 4, or x plus 4 equals 0, and x minus 4 equals 0.
Okay.
Or you can just switch the signs
to
and it would
be
be
able
x
to
plus
jump.
4 and x minus 4. You can just write that down. So, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Then the numbers that equal 6, 3 times 2. So that is x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. And then you pull out the factors. And this one's x, so x plus 3. Then the other one is 2, so that one equals x plus 3. And then x plus 2 equals 0, minus 2 equals x equals negative 2. And then x plus 3 equals 0, minus 3 equals x equals negative 3.